Hi, I'm Gary Jones, and I want to tell you how to log into your website using multi-factor authentication, which is required on many OSU systems today. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Duo app to your mobile device. So whether you have an Apple, Google, or Windows phone, you'll go to the respective website like the Apple App Store or Google Play or the Windows Store to download the Duo mobile app. Once you've downloaded the app, now you can set up your device to allow you to authenticate to a site with two-factor authentication. What that means is once you log into a site, it will hold your login and send you a push text message to your phone or to the Duo app. Once you get that, there'll be a green and a red button at the bottom of the window, and on the green button with the check mark in it, just press that button and it'll go ahead and authenticate you and let you into your website or email or the other system that the university uses. Now once you've got that app installed, one of the things you want to do is go to the IT department and click on their search bar and choose Duo. The reason you want to do this is because they have a set of instructions there on how to set up your device and install it on your phone so that you can log in from anywhere you're at. I hope that helps you with your multi-factor authentication.